Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Charvi.
Good evening.
Good evening, Charvi.
Sorry.
Yeah, good evening. How are you all? How was your day?
It's wonderful, Charvi.
It's good, Charvi.
Also, right. What about you?
Mine was good too. Yeah, thank you for asking. So, I guess all of you saw the message that was sent in the group today. We'll be having three sessions. One is coding class, one is uh, small class taken by Shanvi's sister, and I think she didn't join. Okay, we'll wait for her. Now, and then I'll be just teaching about the last class topic since you didn't understand well, okay? So, Sharanya sister will be taking the coding class today. So, sister, you can start and I will put a timer, okay? Because we have three sessions and we need to finish it in time. Okay, 15 minutes. You can start, Sharanya sister.
Okay, Charvi. So, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
No, sister. Yes, sister. No,
Okay, so can anyone say what we learned in last class?
We learnt about vowels, vertical and horizontal vowels.
Yeah, so in last class we learned vowels, right? So in today's class we'll just recap the last class and learn about the magic circle and some basic Korean words, okay? So now just let's do a quick recap of the last class. So here are few vowels, okay? So I'll point a vowel and I'll call any random name and you should say which vowel is it. Is it fine?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
Saranya.
Janya,
yes, sister.
can you pronounce this vowel? The first one.
The first one, right?
Yeah, this one. If you don't know,
Is
it's
it
fine. I'll
you?
ask others. Yeah, it's you. Okay. So good job. And the second one, who will say?
Shall I, Sharanya?
Shall
Shall I?
I?
Okay. Ganavi, you can. This
The
one.
second one, right?
Yeah, this one. Beside the yo.
Yo.
Yeah, it's yo. You are right. And let's go for the third one. This one. Who will say?
Can I, Saranya? Can I,
Can
Saranya?
I?
Can I?
Okay, Rakshashri, you can do this one.
Yo.
Yeah, it's yo. You are correct. And
Can I?
let's for the fourth one. Who
Can
will
I,
do this?
Sharanya?
Can
Can
I?
I?
Okay, Shrishti, you can.
You.
Yeah, you're right. It's you. Okay. And the last one. Who will do this?
Can I, Sharanya?
Can I, Sharanya?
Yeah, Inika, you can do this.
Last one.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, oh.
You're right. It's O. And now, can anyone pronounce all of these vowels?
Can I?
Can I?
Can I, Sharanya? I will. I will.
Sister,
Ganavi, you can do all.
Sharanya? Can I?
Can I?
First one is
Okay.
you.
Let's pick other. Ganavi, can you do like all the pronunciation?
Sharanya?
Can you pronounce all the vowels?
Sharanya?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you pronounce all the vowels?
First one. Okay. Yeah. First one is yo.
Yeah,
Second one is yo.
yeah.
Third one. Third one is yo.
Mhm.
Fourth one is you.
Yeah,
And last one is o.
yeah, you're correct. Okay, you did a great job. All were right. So let's just move for the next slide. So the magic circle O. Does anyone have any idea why do we use this?
Because writing any
We
letters
have
or words.
to, when we write the words, we have to use these circles
Okay,
for
When
the
we write
vowels.
Korean words, we use this magic circle.
okay. You're right. We use this magic circle when we write Korean Hangul. But can anyone say why do we use this? Like any idea?
Like doing like a one sentence or letters, sorry, or words.
No,
Oval. It's an oval
no.
Can I tell Saranya?
which we used to make a
Yes,
which
Jana,
we
you're
used to
correct.
make words.
Can
Saranya,
I
can
tell?
you say the question once again?
Okay. Uh, you said that we use this circle when we write Korean Hangals, but can you say why we use this circle? There should be
Because
a
it's
reason,
an
right?
oval.
Can I tell Saranya?
We
Maybe
can't
it's an
pronounce
Crystal?
by this while writing the words.
No.
We don't get
When
to know which one is this.
when any consonants are not there behind it, we'll use that
Okay.
before that.
So let's know the actual reason. So actually, there is no purpose of putting this circle. We just put the circle to support the vowel behind it. Okay. So here,
Can you repeat again?
okay. So there is no purpose of putting the circle. Okay. We just put the circle to support the vowel behind it. For example, here you can see the vowel E, right? So we put this O to like support it, okay, to build a block, to build a syllable block, okay. So you'll learn the syllable block in future. So there is no sound for this O. We just put it for the support, okay. So when you write, you should put this, okay. But there's no like compulsory rule that you should put. But if you put, it supports the vowel, okay. There is no such use of it. Let's move to the next.
Saranya,
Yeah, Shrishti.
can you what that?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Nothing, nothing.
Okay, so now let's learn few Korean words. Okay, so already we have learned vowels, right? So now I've taken few words which are built by only vowels. Okay, so here for example, milk, which is written by only two vowels. We didn't use consonants over here. We pronounce it as oyo. Okay, so in Korean for milk we say oyo. Everyone repeat after me. So,
Oyo.
yeah, Oyo. Say
Oyo.
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 Okay. So here we say it as Oyo. Okay. So everyone together say Oyo.
Oyo.
Oyo. Oyo. Oyo. Oyo.
Okay. So now, keep this in your mind.
Oyo.
Okay. So you don't need to like memorize it. Okay.
Oyo.
Learn by your heart. So you'll remember every words. Okay. So if you like memorize, oh, I should remember this. So then you can't learn Korean. So if you learn by your heart, you'll remember everything. Okay. So let's move for the second word. So cucumber. Can anyone pronounce this?
Hoi.
Oye,
Oyo.
oye.
Yeah, its pronunciation is correct. So it's oi. Okay, so we say oh my God, we say oh, right? So it's like that. Oi. Okay, so We say cucumber as oi. Everyone say oi. Oi.
Oi.
Yeah, it's oi. So you all remember this.
Oi.
At the end, I may ask you, I'll
Oi.
ask everyone. Okay. So now let's learn some body and body parts. So in
Yeah.
Korean, we say for child or kid, we say I.
I.
Yeah, we say I for kid or a child, like basically 2 or 3 year old. So we say I. Okay, so pronounce everyone I.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah,
Hi.
yeah, we say I. Now for teeth, can anyone pronounce this tooth?
E.
For
E.
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 we say
E.
it as E.
E.
So,
E.
when you go for a dentist, dentist says, "Show me your teeth," right? We sometimes say E. So it's same over here. So the pronunciation is E. Everyone repeat E.
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 So yeah, it's pronounced as E. So now let's just do a quick revision. So let's do a match the following over here. Okay. So the first one, can anyone pronounce the first one?
Oyo.
O.
Yeah, it's Oyo.
Oyo.
So, what does Oyo means? So, what is
Milk.
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 Milk. Milk.
Oyo?
Milk.
Don't draw on the screen, please. So, okay, can anyone say what is Oyo?
Milk.
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 Yeah,
Milk.
it is milk. So I'll just track that from there. Okay, it's milk. So the second one, anyone pronounce?
Oye.
Oi.
Yeah, it's Oi. Rakshay,
Oye.
Cucumber.
can you say what does
Will
it
you
mean?
repeat it again?
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Yeah, it is cucumber. So in Korean, we say oi for cucumber. Okay. So now, okay, the third word, this
Hi.
one.
Hi.
I.
I.
Hi.
I.
I.
So,
I.
The child.
Janya, say the meaning of
The
I in Korean.
kid shell.
Child.
Sorry.
Excuse me, sister.
Child or kid.
What does it mean? I. What does it mean?
Child or child or kid.
Yeah, it means that it is a child. So
Child.
in Korean, for a child or kid, we say I. Okay. So now the last one.
E. E.
Yeah,
Means
E.
teeth.
that's
E.
E, which means
Means
T-
tooth.
teeth.
Tooth.
Okay.
Tooth.
Tooth.
Yeah, it's tooth. So now I'll call anyone name.
Sister, we could see.
Okay. So not Ganavi. Let's take Sanchalana. Can you pronounce all these words?
Okay, Sharanya.
Okay, pronounce.
Oyo. Oyu.
Yeah.
Ui. Is it correct?
Oyo. Oy.
Oi.
E. E.
Sharanya. The third one is I. Fourth one is E.
Sharanya, you are mute. You are in mute.
Oh, sorry. So I'll give a little assignment. So, which is you should write all the 4 words and take a photo of it and send it in the group and also the pronunciation of these words. Okay? It is so
Okay,
simple.
Sharanya.
So by this way, you'll learn Korean very easily. Okay? So
Okay,
I'll
Sharanya.
stop sharing my screen. Chavi, you can continue.
Yes, you did awesome job explaining all this, Shani sister. So thank you so much. And everybody, thank Shani sister for explaining, like
Okay,
teaching you
Sharanya.
new words.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Sharanya. Please.
Okay,
Thank you.
Sharanya. Okay, Sharanya.
Welcome. Welcome.
Yeah. Okay. So for our next session, Shami sister is having a bit of network problem. So we'll leave her session to the last, okay? We'll go with the Python now. Yes, I'll just share my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, Charvi.
Yes,
Okay.
Charvi.
Yes, Advi.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. So the our main topic is object-oriented programming. Right? So in the last class, Inika sister taught a bit of it. Now I'll just re-explain it. Okay. So what is object-oriented programming, first of all? Okay, just imagine this. You're playing games, like you play games like Minecraft, Roblox, other games, whatever it may be. So in these kind of games, you have like all sorts of things or characters, like blocks, animals, cars, and characters, etc. Right? So
Yes.
in this programming world, in this Python, Java, C++, in all of these codings, or programming languages, there is something called object oriented programming to build these things. Okay, it is used to build these things, as you can say in simple words. Okay,
Okay,
so
Charvi.
it says instead of writing one huge, massive list of instructions, this object oriented programming or OOP in Python lets us create the objects just like the items, characters, or toys, or whatever, like blocks or something in real life. Okay, in
Okay, Charvi.
coding. Okay, the first thing is the class. Okay, I'll just write it here. Class. So this class is like the blueprint of this entire thing. Okay, so imagine engineering, right? Engineer. So before they build something, they have to sketch it out, right? Like what should this contain? What should be there? What should be here? They first sketch it out. So that is called a blueprint. You guys know about the blueprints, right?
Yes.
Yes, Charvi.
Chavi.
Charvi.
In other words, you can say like, for example, you're cooking something like let's say biryani, and for that biryani you need a recipe, right? So first you have to put in the rice or the masalas or the spices, and then the chicken, etc. So that is a recipe. That's like the class. It's a blueprint. It's a recipe of this program. Without the recipe you can't do something. You can't just put the chicken first, then the rice, then all the masalas. No, you need to go step by step. Okay, so for example, the most basic example you take is cars. You all know cars, right? So we make a blueprint that says, okay, this car must have wheels and it must be red in color. It must have this much of speed and the people must be able to drive it. See, that is like the class. That is what the class basically does. Next is the object. Okay, objects. So, okay, yeah. Uh, Using the help of
We are
the.
not out.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible
Yeah. So once you use
now.
the blueprints to actually
Now,
build something, that is called the building thing is called the object. Okay. So let's take the same example as the car, right? The blueprint and everything. So in there you can create three or like even more different objects there, right? So let's just say object one. So object one must be a blue car that goes very fast.
Charvi, your
Then
voice is
object
breaking.
two must say a red pickup. Is it breaking for everybody?
No, Charlie.
Not
It's
correct.
Yeah, Jenny, there might be a problem with your internet, okay? So in object 2, I'm going to say that there is a red pickup, like big truck that can carry huge goods, okay? And in object 3, I'll say that there is a taxi, a yellow taxi, okay? So all this came from the same car, from the same blueprint, but each one of it has its own uniqueness, right? So that is what this object is. In other words, you can say that class, okay? A class. Let's take a classroom, and in that class, there are many objects. What can you see there? You can see the blackboard, the benches, the walls, the writings, the books, pen, paper, people, right? So the
but
class,
Yes,
yeah, the
sir.
is the
that
class. Here, or you can say school, for example. The class is school. Okay. Then objects. What are the objects you can see there? Like you can see students. You can see all the staff members. You can see classrooms, etc. Okay. Did you understand about these two?
yes, Charlie.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Charlie. Yes.
Okay. So next one is inside the object. Like what's inside the object? So every single object is made up of very two simple things. Okay, one is what it knows and what it can do. Okay, so let's go with what it can do. Sorry, what it knows. I'll just type here. So object has just contains two things, that is what it knows and what it does. Okay, so two. Yeah. So here, what it knows, like it contains attributes and properties, or you can say attributes or properties. So these are details about object. They describe it. So for example, let's take a video game, right? A video game character. So it's like what is the video game character? So give a name. Like let's say whose name should we take? Hamshika. So Hamshika here is a video game character, right? The name of the video game character is Hamshika, and whenever like playing the game, like the health and all get decreases, right? So we'll give the current health 50% out of 100. Then her outfit, the her clothes color is navy blue. Okay, so that is what. the attributes, what it knows. It comes under what it knows. It's basically describe. It's like an adjective. Okay, this whole thing, the object is like parts of speech, and what it knows is the adjective, the attributes. Okay. Then next thing is what it can do or what it does, and their methods and functions comes under there. Okay, so the actions that object or a character can perform, that is called the functions, right? Whatever functions they can do, they are like verbs in what parts of speech. So what is verbs? They are basically action words. So we can say that Hamshika is a video game character, right? So she can do these actions, like she can jump, she can dance, she can speak, she can run, she can hop. So these are the things, the functions, okay, in objects. Did you understand about this? Is there any doubt about this?
No,
Shall we?
Charlie.
No,
Understand.
sir.
No, Charlie.
Okay. So we'll come with a code now. Okay. So we'll take class and tell a variable, anything like stationaries, classroom, school, etc. Anything like that.
Students.
Students, okay. Students. So at the very beginning of the code, you must give the class. So what is class? This class is the students. So the students is the class in this code. Okay. Next, after this, I'm going to write a colon, and below that, I'm going to write pass. So in the last class, you guys like were confused about why do we need this pass, what it does, etc. Right? So let's say it's okay. In past, sorry, in a code, if we don't give something, if we miss a line, the interpreter. You guys know the interpreter, right?
Don't know.
No,
Not
Okay.
Charlie.
Have you guys used ideally?
Not Charlie.
Like the
Charlie.
something like
Yes, shall we?
middle,
Yes,
like connects
Charlie.
to.
No.
Yes,
Uh,
shall we?
yeah.
Ideal we
So
do.
I don't think I
Python
have this.
programming, right?
Yeah, the Python program where you type the Python
Yeah,
and it
yeah.
gives, right? It's a lot like notepad, what you can say.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Charlie. We didn't.
Yeah,
Yeah, Charlie.
Cool.
We used it.
yes. So like it
Yes,
gives
Charlie.
output for each line.
We
Yeah,
use. Yeah.
yes. So just like that, the interpreter when it goes line,
Yes.
yeah, when it goes line by line, we will see that you have missed a line, and what it will give an error. But we don't have anything to write it there, right? So it will say, okay, it to prevent the code from getting an error, we use pass. It's like, okay, I'll write this pass now, then I'll add the other codes later, the other details later. Okay?
Okay, Charlie.
Yeah. So after that, I'm going to give a variable. Okay. So we're going to be making an object. Okay. Then variable, we'll give a variable like, let's say, students. Okay. So this will contain the students, the class. This is the object, okay? And this is the class. So the object is containing the class. When we print,
Means the student is in class.
yes, the student is a class. Okay, sorry. Uh, yeah. Here we have to write the class and we have to give parenthesis. Yeah. So we didn't give anything yet, so it's just showing blank. Okay, do you understand how to make a class? And this is an object.
Shall we? Shall we?
Yeah.
We should compulsory should write the class students in upper.
Yeah, it's like the I
The
mean here
the
you
three
can
words should be right always.
sorry, I didn't understand what you're saying.
The three word compulsory we should write the class student iPhone and pass.
No, here you can give anything. Okay, this is like a variable.
Yeah.
Class. You can give anything. You can cars, bikes, or scooters, or dogs, anything like that. But these are main. See, pass is just like okay. It's saying like, hey interpreter, I will leave this empty for now. Then later when I come back, I'll just add the other code.
We can write other than students like players or anything.
Yeah, you can write anything. You can like yeah, cricket players, football players,
Only
or
the class is compulsory, right?
yes, the class
Yeah.
is it defines that whatever we give here is a class. It is a class, okay? Then
Yeah.
here object isn't necessary, but I still gave it.
Other than pass, we can do anything also.
Yeah, we'll discuss it later on, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the class, as I told, the blueprint of the entire code, and pass is just empty space. So when we give here empty space, just see, I'm going to just cancel this, and when I print it, it says indentation error. Okay, so even if I bring this here, it's showing indentation. Why?
We deleted over that pass variables and all right. So
Yeah, there is there's an empty line there. So whenever the interpreter is checking, there's an empty line there. So it shows an error. The code isn't complete. So we write pass. Pass is just like a dummy there. Okay. So it
yeah.
just prevents from it showing an error. It's like pass to the next line. Just don't worry about me. Just go to the next line.
Sadvi, Sadvi,
Yes.
we can use other word rather than pass.
No.
We should use only the password itself for every
Yeah.
program.
Yes. No, this is like the empty blueprint, okay? It's like there is nothing given there.
Yeah.
Okay? So just pass.
Only we can change the students, right?
Yeah. You can change
Yeah.
the students. So if you want to write a code there, then you don't, there is no need of writing pass.
Sadvi.
Okay? See, as you saw
Okay, ma'am.
here, it showed an indentation error. When we go here, it shows nothing because it's just an empty blueprint, right?
Yes, Charlie.
Yeah. So now we'll write a code there. Okay.
Sadvi,
In yes.
What's the use of pass?
Pass, it prevents like the code from getting an error. Like it's like skipping to the next line.
Means
Okay, how do I say this? Here, if I don't give pass, the interpreter will think the code is incomplete. Okay, so if I give pass, pass is like, okay, there will be details, not now, later. Okay, the user will add the details later. Now just skip that line. There's like no need of given error or something.
Yes,
okay,
Ravi.
sir. Yeah.
Okay, so next we'll create an actual blueprint now. Okay, we'll add some code there. So we'll give a class and we'll give a class for that. A class name. Give a name.
Players.
Players. Okay.
We
What play?
Jumpians. Jumpians.
Let's say champion play.
I will say full story after.
Okay. So after this, I'm going to give one. Okay. So next, we'll give a name for it. Okay. This is not necessary if you don't want it, but we'll just give a name for it. Okay. It's like an attribute. Okay. Can everybody please mute yourself? When you want to speak, you can unmute yourself. Yes, thank you. Okay, we'll give a name. Just suggest a name for a
We
jumping play.
Jump.
Okay, give another name.
Your answer?
Okay, yawn. And next, what we'll do is we will give a function. So it's like a verb. Okay. So to like write a function or a method, you have to write def before. I think you guys have seen this before, right? The def.
Yes, Charvi.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Chavi.
Yes,
Yeah.
Charvi.
Okay. Can anybody tell me what it means? What is the full form of it? Anybody?
Forgot, but we see that.
Okay, you have seen it.
Yeah.
Is it function?
Defined.
It's a function.
Definition.
Define function.
Defined.
Yes.
Define.
It can be called definition too. I heard someone say that. Okay. Yeah. So it is called define or definition, and it is a function, yes. And here, what we'll do is we'll give a verb for it, an action. Okay. So we'll say speak. I will say speak, and I'm going to say self. So this self means like this action only applies for this particular user or player. Like this speak will only apply for Yonsel. This applies particularly for Yonsel. Like it's not others.
Self only means for the youngster itself, right?
Yeah. So self means only for that particular uh character, or what do you say, a person. Okay, next we'll say print, and we'll say a word that Beyonce always says. 안녕하세요.
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll make him say 안녕하세요. So does anybody know what 안녕하세요 means?
Means
Yes,
Means
Charlie.
No,
hello.
good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. It
Good
means
evening.
in
No, it
hello.
means
Hello.
hi.
Good evening.
Hi,
Hi,
hello.
hello.
Hi.
Yeah. So it just means hello, 안녕하세요, in Korean. Okay. So after that, we'll go to the next line. So now, can anybody tell me what we're going to be doing now?
we should write
Yeah.
about youngs.
No. We're going to
We
make
should
up.
What
write
you
past.
wrote in upside like that we should write.
We're going to make
We
an
are
object
going to
now.
Pass.
print class or name some.
Maybe we should write past
We're going to
class.
make an object now. Did you forget? Here, the last. Yeah.
Maybe we should write pass.
No, we're going to be writing a object. We're
Object.
going to be making an object.
WeJump player. Jump
Okay.
player.
Yeah, jumping play is already given. We'll give, or should we give? Should we give V jump?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in V jump, we'll give this jumping player. Okay. Just write this here, and we'll give parenthesis brackets. Okay. And one more thing, we okay, until now we just stopped, right? Here in the first code, we just sit in
Yes.
the class, we wrote the pass, and we just made an object. And here also we created a class, we gave all the attributes, and we gave a function, and now we made an object. Now what we must do is we must use that object, right? So we can't just let it be. So now it also has to do some work. For that we'll say print in the parenthesis. I'm going to write vjump and dot name. So somebody tell me what it does. Like what this means. Vjump dot name.
Maybe it print a name, the person name
Object.
or object.
Yeah, the name.
Object.
Yeah.
Yes. Not the object, but the name. What we gave here, yonsir. What will it print? It will print yonsir. Next, we will say we jump and we'll say dot. Sorry, yeah, dot speak because we gave the function as speak, right? We gave an action there
Yeah.
and we'll use parenthesis. So one more time we'll go over it. We have created a class. So we have created a class, we have given an attribute, and we have given a function that says speak, and then we have created an object, then we have used an object. Okay. Now, when we print, do you think there is anything wrong with the code? Like, will it show an error or will
It
it print?
will, maybe it will not show anything.
Are you sure? It says the answer and
No.
okay. So look here, this is the code we have given, right? And we said print these things. So these things we said what the object to do these things. So that time it printed what we have given. Okay. So here we asked only for the name, and here we said WeJump speak, like do the action. Okay. So when you say like, when you tell your dog or your pet to sit, it will sit. Yeah, just like
Yes.
that.
Shall
Okay.
Shanvi will take the class or not?
Yeah, she will last 10 minutes. So, 5 more minutes we'll have the class, and then the last 10 minutes she will take over.
Yeah.
Okay. So, any doubts about this?
No, Charvi.
No, sir.
No, Shall
No, Charvi.
Did you
No, sir.
understand?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Charvi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Shavi.
If you have any doubts, feel free to ask. And yeah, and the assignment is you must do the Korean assignment also, and you must write this code. Okay, don't write the champion
More than
player.
one code. The
Yeah,
class. Yeah, yeah.
sorry, the both the codes, the class students and this. Okay, two codes with the Korean assignment.
Excuse me, Charvi.
Yes.
For the first program, there will be no output, right?
No, there is no output. Yeah, and one more thing here, we can add more attributes to it. Okay, so we can say we can add attributes like okay. So name it is adjective, right? So as we discussed, that attributes are very much like adjectives, describing words. So we have given name. We'll give gender. So what is the gender of Beyonce?
Men. Men. Hey.
Male.
Yeah,
Male.
uh,
Male.
male, right?
Male.
Then we'll give one more thing. Let's give age and what is his age? Let's give unknown because we don't know his age.
ಈಗ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡು, ನಾಳೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನು ಅಣ್ಣ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ನೆಶು ಬರ್ತಾನಂತೆ.
Shrishti, can you mute yourself?
Sorry, sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Then after age, should we give any more attributes?
Where he's come means his town or village.
Oh, okay. So we'll give nationality, which is his nationality?
India.
No, Korea.
Korea.
He's a citizen of India, but his nationality is Korea, or his origin nationality.
Did he take a citizenship of India?
Yeah, he has been here for over, I think, 25 years.
Wow.
Yes,
30 years.
I think so.
Mm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
then let's give citizenship or a citizen, or we'll give India.
Yeah. I capital.
Yes, and yeah. So here where we can change it instead of only name, we'll give age. Here we'll just all yeah. It says unknown. We don't know its age. Let's give gender. Male, okay. And also here instead of speak, so it's a function, it's like a verb, right? Action. We'll give something. We'll say hmm.
Right.
We'll say, we'll say dance. We'll make him dance. Okay. So which song should we make him dance to? Let's say
1, 2, 3, 4.
Come to the dance to the what classic song. So does anybody know this song?
Yes.
Yes, Charvi.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
know.
Charvi.
Is there anybody who doesn't know this song?
No, Charvi. Charvi, I don't
Yeah. So we
know. Charvi.
dance. Yeah, okay. We'll give dance.
1, 2, 3, 4. Get the light, I burn, make it. Tapali.
My sister.
Sorry, Charvi.
Yeah. So yeah. The emojis doesn't work here. Yeah. So it's already 21. We have 9 minutes left. So make sure to do the assignment and I'll let Shani's sister take over. Is she here? Shani's sister?
ಯಪ್ಪ
Yeah.
ನಂಗೆ ಅವತ್ತಿಂದ ಬಂದಂಗಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೈತೆ
Yes,
ಕಣೆ ತುಂಬ.
Charvi.
Yeah. You can take over the class now.
Okay, Charvi.
Shani's sister, are you able to?
Yes, I will do 1 minute.
ಯಾವ್ದು ತೆಗಿತಿದೀಯ?
Hello.
Okay, yeah. She's having a bit of network problem, so we'll just wait for her.
Already. Yeah.
Okay. Shanvi sister, you can start explaining.
Okay, it is very easy program in Python. We are learning zip function. Zip function is a built-in Python function that combines two or more variabilities such as list and tuples or strings. Anyone can understand? Can you understand?
No.
No.
No, Shanvi.
Zip is a simple function that
Yes.
fun- function is built in Python that combines two or more uh, what we can say items in it. List or tuple, like list, tuple, or
Can you tell again?
zip is a function built in a Python function that combines two or more uh, values like list, tuples, or string. Can you understand, Srusti?
Yeah, it contain the only that list tuples or strings. It contain only that or anything
No, no,
else.
that much only.
You wrote that two or more, no, sir. So I asked that.
Okay,
Only that three
that
it contain.
that two or more uh, like key values and values.
Can
Charvi,
you pronounce word?
like key values. Where is zip used? Combining React related data from multiple lists. It can combine multiple lists in one code and creating dictionaries. Excuse me. Can anyone can understand? Data processing is the organization.
Just a minute. Everybody, please answer when she's asking the question, okay?
For me, her voice was breaking back.
It combine related data from multiple lists. We can combine uh, as many as lists from different types of files or list.
Can you repeat again? Your voice was breaking for me.
Okay, combine it combines. multiple list in one code. Can you understand?
What?
It contains related data from multiple lists. We will store in different lists. We can combine it together. Can you understand now?
How
It's
will combine?
By making this what
Shanvi.
code.
Shanvi.
Yes, Hiteshi.
Can we combine any tuple sets? Can we combine that too?
Yes, Hiteshi. We can combine tuples, list, and string.
You gave the combined data for only multiple lists, right? How can we combine the string or tuple?
Can you tell once again? Your voice is breaking.
You write that the combining data of multiple lists, right? How can we
Yes.
combine the string and tuple there?
By using this code. Uh, Charvi,
Yes, sister.
uh, can I write that code in Collab?
Okay. Do you want to take it in the next class? We're already 2 minutes past the time, right?
Okay, Charvi.
Yeah. So it's fine. Okay, since you had network issues, it's okay. But the next time I give you a chance, make sure you have network on that day, okay? And one more thing, in the next class, Janya, are you here?
Yes, Charvi. Because of network issue, I have left. I'm back here.
Yeah, so you will what? Take the Korean class, and next, Hiteshi sister, is she here? Yeah, she's here. You will be taking the 10 minutes class, okay? About any Python topic you know.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay,
Uh,
Charvi.
yeah.
Shall we
Then,
walk to Hitachi Tech?
Srishti sister,
Yeah.
did you say something?
What Hitachi do in next class?
She'll explain uh the any one of the Python topic.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Then for the main class, Sharanya sister, are you here?
Yeah, Chavi.
Yeah, you will be taking the main class, okay? Python.
Okay, Chavi.
Yeah. So, thank you for joining the class and thank you. Bye bye. Have a good rest of the day.
Thank
And
you,
one more
Chavi.
thing, don't leave
Yeah.
yet. Don't leave yet. Janya,
Yes, Charvi.
from now on, you are in charge of the attendance list, okay?
Okay, Charvi.
Yeah. So, yeah, thank you everyone for joining. Have a good rest of the day and see
Shall we
you.
only Janya should be here or
No, everybody can leave.
yeah.